Hi everybody, this is Ravi from Precision Academy. Today I am going to discuss PM Garib Kalyan Yojana 2020. This presentation is prepared by Sai Pradeep. What is this PM Garib Kalyan Yojana? Why it is introduced? It is a 1.72 lakh crore relief package. So it's a huge package, 1,72,000 crores. This big package is under PMGKP for the poor. The reason is corona. So we have to fight this coronavirus. So many poor people are very badly affected. To help them, this program is planned. So what are all the different benefits or different components? So number one, ration. Under this plan there is PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. So in this Anna Yojana, ration card holders will get double entitlements, that is like 5 kg wheat or rice and 1 kg of preferred pulses. So 5 kg of rice or wheat plus 1 kg of pulses. That is what they are going to give to how many people? 80 crores, which is almost 2/3 of our population. They will get benefited through this scheme. And then PMJDY, Jan Dhan Yojana, women account holders will be given ex gratia of 500 per month. So every month they will get 500, that will be given for 3 months. The number of beneficiaries 20.4 crores, that many people will get benefited in this scheme. And then widows, Divyang and aged, so aged widows and people in the Divyang category, they will be given 1000 rupees per month for next 3 months, that will be 1000 into 3, they will get 3000 rupees in the coming 3 months. So it will cover 3 crore people. And then gas cylinders will be given to poor people for next 3 months. So 8 crore people will be benefited from this scheme. And then farmers and workers. So before that, one more benefit, that is like for the farmers, what they are going to give is first installment of 2000 rupees, so which is due in 2021. So that they are front loading right now. So 8.7 crore families will get benefited from this PM Kisan Yojana. So this particular Garib Kalyan Yojana, so it is covering other schemes also. Organized sector, generally government schemes doesn't help much the organized sectors, but in this particular different situation they are helping organized sector also, like EPF. So they are amending regulations so that 75% of EPF amount can be withdrawn. So but there is an upper limit, that is the 3-month wages, whichever is low they can take. So for those with earnings below 15,000 per month and in businesses having less than 100 workers, 24% of monthly wages will be deposited in PF account by the government. And one more section that will get benefited is construction workers. So state governments are allowed to utilize funds from building and other construction workers welfare fund. That fund can be used right now. So 3.5 crore registered workers will get benefited. And then MG Narega, this is a very successful program, and in this they are increasing daily wages like from 182 rupees per day to 202 rupees. So this is benefiting 13.662 crore families. And finally 2 more points, like one is for self help groups. So, they were getting collateral free loans. The upper limit was 10 lakhs, now it is increased to 20 lakhs. It will help 6.85 crore households. And finally, most important point is there are front runners in this fight against COVID, that is like ASHA workers, Safai Karmacharis, ward boys, nurses, and then paramedics, technicians, doctors, specialists, other health workers. All these people, hats off to them, they are fighting with this common enemy, coronavirus. So, to help them, if something untoward happens to them, to help them, government has announced 50 lakh rupees insurance cover to them. This is going to benefit 22 lakh people. So, let me wrap it up. So, you can see starting from here 1. So, ration 5 kg wheat and 1 kg pulse. So, 5 plus 1 they can get here, and then widows, Divyang, they get 1000 multiplied by 3 months. So, gas cylinders, so there you can see gas cylinders here. So, 3 months gas cylinders, and then most importantly this ASHA worker, you can see in the roads they are trying to isolate, identify the COVID affected people. So, they get 50 lakh insurance cover, and then MG Narega work happening here. So, their daily wages increased from 182 to 202. So, they got benefited, and then this PF, Employee Provident Fund. So, they can take up to 75% or 3 months, whichever is less, and then 24% to 15,000 salary or less, that kind of category. And then construction workers, you can see construction workers here, they can use building and other construction workers welfare fund. And then the farmer, the most important person of the country, like is the farmer. So, he is also getting benefited, like he is getting 2000 rupees, which is the first installment. So, these are the major components of the scheme. Thanks for joining. We will join again with some other important topic. Till such time, bye bye.